some of challenges that our girls are facing in school, there are things like period poverty. We are having also teenage pregnancy. We're also having drugs. So it is important for us to remind our young girls and boys in school on how to deal with such cases.
Evans Mengich, the Kepaco program coordinator. So Laikong is a very good school, the best school, and this school is for peace and athletic, and we have come here to mentor them, to give them a hope, to give them what they need for their 4-year journey. So the most of the girls in this school, they are coming from the prone areas, like where they've been affected by insecurity. So we have been losing a lot of girls in those areas. When those schools have been closed, we lost many girls. Even there's some girls that we have been traced, but they have not found.
Stevens Laikong Girls is a school sponsored by ACK Church, and we have now 268 students from different parts of Africa. We have students from Kenya, we have students from Ethiopia, Sudan, South Sudan, we have from Rwanda and Uganda.
But we are also requesting well-wishers to support us towards supporting these children. There are many children within and even outside this country that have come because they have known, and most parents currently, they have trusted the school principal. This school, for the last 3 years down the line, the enrollment was declining. But last year, the government gave us our principal, Madam Redemda Lorenga, whereby most parents have trusted her, and I'm seeing the enrollment going up day in, day out.
For the refugee girls first, we have enough facilities for girls. It doesn't matter from which country. So we accommodate girls from wherever, so long as they are willing to learn.